Is your external component the Dynapdf engine DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Dynapdf PDF generation engine links. Before we begin the manual steps for Dynapdf engine, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Dynapdf engine, a professional PDF generation library used by developers to create, edit, and convert PDF files within custom business applications. It handles the low-level PDF syntax and font embedding. If missing, the software's export to PDF functionality will crash immediately, typically reporting a Dynapdf initialization failure. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Because Dynapdf engine DLL is tied to the Dynapdf PDF generation engine runtime inside a specific application standard, Windows fixes will not help, and you must use the official installer for your primary program to restore the file. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to re-sync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Dynapdf engine file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like Dynapdf engine DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing Dynapdf engine and system health. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Dynapdf engine remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.